everyone, so today we are going to unbox Cecillio CNV 300 violin. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks. So let us begin. Let me clarify something to you guys. I am just a beginner in violin. I don't know a lot of things about violin. I am currently in the learning process, and this is actually my first violin ever. Therefore, my video is going to focus mainly on the unboxing part rather than giving you guys a review, because like I said, I don't know a lot of things about violin, so I'm gonna just unbox it and you guys can see it for yourself. It's actually something you would like to buy or not. So let me give you a closer look of the case. This violin came with its own book, which I think is very useful for beginners like me who want to learn the basic of how to play violin. It doesn't come with a CD in the back like certain comments online were saying, but it does have some links that refer you to videos online that I think it's useful. It also came with its own tuner, and inside there were batteries, which I wasn't sure there will be of, because I have dealt with places that sell items like that without batteries. So right now we're gonna open the case, but before that let me give you a 360 view of the case itself. I think it's a really great case. So let's open the case. Inside there were two bows, which I think it's really awesome. It came with its own manual in case there are some issues with your violin. It came with its own shoulder pad. I'm touching it and it's feeling a bit stiff. I don't know if it's gonna be comfortable enough, but I'm gonna let you guys know once I actually try it. So here is the Rosen. I really like the little box and the design of it. It looks really classic. In addition of coming with an extra bow, it also came with an extra bridge. So now let's look at the violin. Look at me, this color, it's wonderful. It's amazing. It's very flamboyant. I like the color of it, and you can see it looks like a finished product. It doesn't look like something poorly made. And it came with the D'Addario Prelude strings. It's pretty. So now let's go to the bows. The first bow is pretty ordinary. There is nothing wrong with it, nothing that stands out, and there is no complaint, nothing that is out of place. However, the second bow wasn't that great at all, because I don't know if you can see it in the picture, but some hair were already ready to fall off. As soon as I took it from the plastic, it was already like that, and I had to cut like 2 or 3 strands of hair out of the bow because they were not standing straight. And I am just a beginner, like I said. I don't know a lot of things about bow. I don't know if that's actually normal or not, but I wasn't happy with that. Besides that, I have no other complaints about this violin. It is really nice and came really well presented, and other than the bow with the hair already falling off part, I feel like the other parts of the violin are really strong. If not, I can always upgrade later on for better strings and better bows. As of right now, I'm a beginner student, and if you are a beginner student like me who just want to learn the basic of violin, I feel like this is the right thing to go for. And that's the video for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As of right now, I haven't played this violin yet. As soon as I do, I will sure post a video and give you guys an upgrade. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up with me. Don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.